Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to look into some of the interview questions asked in the organization which is known as Zensar Technologies. Okay, so pretty much this was the interview of data analyst. Okay, so I will be dealing with SQL interview questions. So if you want to explore more about what this organization is, you can search it on LinkedIn. This is Zensar Technologies, and it says speed gives you leverage, but what adds purpose in that is direction. Okay, so this is kind of a tagline, and you can look into what are the other things of this company if you are interested. Okay, also you can search it on Google. It gives you some of the overview, and look it into LinkedIn. Okay, so let's not much waste of time. Let's not waste time and go into the SQL interview questions. Okay, so to understand this SQL interview questions, so first so these were theoretical. Okay, first of all, and I'm doing this practical implementation so that you can have the hands-on. Okay, so in this data analysis interview questions, like first they started with SQL and then they hopped on to some of the Python questions. Okay, so Python I had to implement, and then SQL questions were pretty much theoretical. Okay, so this is how you can expect the interview questions. Okay, so here's the deal. So first of all, to understand these interview questions, like simple data analysis interview questions, and let's deal with those. Okay, so firstly I will create the table employee here. Okay, so this is the data, just a random data. Okay, so I have created the data using test. Now if I refresh this, so you will see that there is employee and some of the data. Okay, now if I select star from employee, this gives the overall data. Okay, here you can see employee ID, name, position, department, and salary. Okay, now next is describe employee. In the sense, it will give us the details of what all things are there, like employee ID, then data type, then null, this is allowed or not, then key, primary key, indexes, etc., default, extra, and other things. Okay, now the first question they asked is basically how you can get the data, basic questions, and then you know this, right? So next is they asked the command like to delete a column. So basically if you want to delete the column, you can use alter table, employee, then name of the table, and drop column, position. So I will be dropping here. Okay, let's select the data first. So here you can see employee ID, name, position, department, and salary. So first question was how to delete a column. So I will be deleting this position column. So alter table employee, drop column, position. Okay, so if I run this query, you can see that the query got executed, and next is select star. So here there is no column, position. Okay, so this is the first question, like how you can delete the column. Okay, now how you can delete the row. Okay, so here I am deleting this row 105. Okay, so delete from employee where employee ID is equal to 105. So whatever row you want to delete, you can give the primary key, and there you go. Okay, so this is how you can delete a row. So we have deleted the 105th record, or you can say the employee whose employee ID was 105. Okay, so this is how you can delete the row. Now the third question was how to update a particular value. Okay, so here I'm using employee ID 101 here, and I'm setting the salary as 100. So here you can see salary is like 70k. So I'll be using update command here. So update employee, set salary is equal to 100 where employee ID is equal to 101. So here also we are using primary key to make sure that the changes are reflected. Okay, so let me copy this. Okay, so okay, we deleted this. Now let it go here. Okay, so select star. Here you can see we have updated the salary. Okay, 200 and 100. Okay, so next question is like create an index on particular column. So basically indexes help you to retrieve the data faster. Okay, so here you can use the command create index. Okay, and the name of the index is name index itself I have given. You can give anything, like let's take test index. Okay, and on employee that is the name of the table, and on which column I want, that you need to specify. So on name I am giving this index. Okay, so if I run this, You will see this. Now to look into indexes, we can use describe employee, I think. Yeah, so here you can see that the index is created, mule it is saying. Okay, so if you want to, okay, so this is how you create the index in the like here only I have given one command there to see the indexes. Okay, so we will see that. Okay, now next is how to add a column. Okay, so I'm adding the same column which we lost it earlier. Okay, so that is position. So here there is no column position, right? So how to add the column? So here you can use the command alter table employee add position varchar 255. Okay, so if I run this, the query got executed, and if I select this, you can see that position is there since no values are there. Okay, so obviously the next question will be like how to insert the values. So insert into employees, employee id is like the mean because it suggests the key, and then position value 100 and hr. Okay, so there is no 100 here, so like that I'm running it. So select star from employee, here you go. Okay, so here also you can, I think you can give 101. Let's check that. Okay, duplicate entry 101 for employee. Okay, so that is why you need to specify here uh, that. Okay, so for here you can use update. Okay, try that. Okay, so this is how you can insert. Okay, so it need not be repeated here, so let's take 106. Okay, now insert this. Now it works. Now select star from employee. So here you can say 106. Since all the records are null here, I have inserted only the HR position. Okay, so after adding column I have inserted some values. Okay, you can use update command and try that. Okay, next is how you can truncate the table. So the command itself. Okay, before that, okay, we dealt with delete a row and everything, right? Yeah, we dealt with that. Okay, so next is how to delete or all the records. So basically you can use truncate. So if I run this, and if I run our query select star from employee, you will see that there are no records now. Okay, so this is how you can truncate the table. Now if you want to drop the primary key, this was the next question, that is how you can drop the primary key. So alter table employee and drop primary key, that is straightforward. Okay, so now if I go and see like describe employee. Okay, so this is not case sensitive guys, so need not worry. Here you can see primary key is not there. Okay, now the next command obviously is like add a primary key. Okay, so I am adding primary key at employee id. Here you can see employee id, there is no key here. Okay, so here you can add the primary key, alter table employee add primary key employee id. Okay, and now if I see describe employee, here you will see that primary key is available. Okay, so this is how you can like alter or delete the primary key and add the primary key. And this is the command which shows us index or everything, you can say. So here you can see the table name is employee, non-unique is 0, that is primary. This is I think indexing, and primary sequence of index 1 1, and here you can see the test index is created. Okay, so this is how you can see the indexes and keys. It will give you the column name also on which column it is created. So employee id has primary key and index is created on this name column. Okay, and these are the other things which you can read it out. Okay, these were some of the basic questions asked, and after that one question was asked like what is the difference between cross join and left join. Okay, so to explain this I will be creating two tables. So create table colors, size, and I will be inserting these values. Okay, let me go and till here I want to do. Okay, so if I run this, and if you can see from select, okay, let's paste it, select star from colors and sizes, I think. Yeah, So if I run this command, we will see that there is color red, blue, and there are sizes small and large. Okay, so to perform cross join, okay, so these things are repeated here. Don't get confused, guys. There are only 2 records in each table. So 1 2, that is red and blue colors, and then sizes is like small and large. Okay, 1 2 small and large. Okay, now if you cross join, what will happen here is 1 will get added with right table red and blue, and 2 will get added with right table red and blue. So basically you will get the product. So 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, so here you can see the query: select color name, size name from colors, cross join sizes. So, excuse me. So simple command, simple query. Okay, so here you got 4 records. So blue color small size, red color small size, blue color large size, red color large size. Okay, so this is cross join. Okay, and to understand the left join, I will be creating another table, that is employees, and I will be inserting some values here. Okay, so that you will understand. Okay, now select star from employees. Okay, so this is the data. So here you can see 1 2 3 records are there, and one department ID is null. Okay, and select star from departments. If I look, you will see that only 2 records are there. Okay, so if you left join, okay, I have given here right, let me make it left first. So if you can see, the left join will give us all the records of left table, that is employees. So we'll get all 3 records 1 2 3 and employee name. And so since, okay, let's go through the query first. So select employee ID, employee name, and department name we are selecting. Okay, so basically employee ID, employee name, and department. So this department name belongs to the right table, that is departments. Okay, and what we are doing, from employees we are selecting employee ID and employee name. So we'll get all the records of the left table, because the left table is employees here. So left join departments. Okay, and on employees dot department ID, so basically this, and departments dot department ID. So we'll get only 2 records from the right table. Okay, so here you can see the left, all we got is 3 tables here. Okay, and if I just replace it with right join, you will get all the data from the departments and only the matching records from the employees. So basically you will get only 2 records here in case of right join. Okay, so this is how you get. So whatever departments they have been matching here, only 2 records will get. So one bonus question was that it is right join. Okay, so if you do right join, you will get right table records completely with the common records of the left, and vice versa. Okay, don't get confused. So this was pretty much some of the basic interview questions they had asked in the company or in the organization, you can say. So we dealt with like how to delete a column, how to delete a row, how to update a particular value, how to create an index, how to add a column, how to insert the values, how to truncate the table, then drop the primary key, add the primary key, and how to view the indexes. Okay, and the last question is how to cross join, and like difference between the cross join and left join. Okay, so these were the questions asked in the interview. Okay, so hope you will understand or learn something from this video. Okay, or do implement practically, so that you need not mess up with alter, update, and delete. Okay, like that. So do practical implementation so that you can get the understanding or thorough understanding. Okay, so hope this helps, guys. So these are the SQL intro questions for the role of data analyst. So if you learn something from this video, do hit that subscribe button. Until then, take care. Bye bye.